Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You should sign into the exact Google account whose YouTube history you want to remove. Once signed in, go straight to Profile, then your data in YouTube to access web and app activity controls. This lets you pause future logging or proceed to deletion. Pause history if you want no new entries while you clean up. Delete if you need immediate removal. Make sure you choose Watch History or Search History specifically, because each is controlled separately and affects recommendations differently. Now focus on the middle, the granular cleanup. Open History, pick Watch History or Search History, and scan for items to remove. Use individual checkboxes or the three-dot menu on each entry to delete precisely. This preserves useful data while removing problem items. If there are many related entries, apply the filter by date or search within your history to select a block and delete in bulk. This reduces noise in recommendations without disabling history and finish by choosing Clear All Watch History and Clear All Search History if you want a complete reset. This removes past entries and resets recommendations. Once done, pause history to stop new records and sign out on shared devices to avoid re-adding items. If history items reappear, make sure other devices using the same account are signed out and that Google Web and App Activity Sync is paused. These steps resolve most sync-related surprises and keep your history cleared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.